Today I'm going to teach you a different way to play bowling. Are you guys ready to play the peg bowling? Let's go!
You're going to need some pegs, a bottle cap, and a plush toy. We are going to use the pegs as the pins of the bowling and the bottle cap as the ball. Before we start the game, we have to put all the pegs up. This is an awesome activity to work your fine motor skills. When you finish to organize the pegs, you will try to hit the pins using the bottle cap with the peteleco move. Every time you hit a pin, you have to clip the peg on the plush toy. Let's see how many pegs you can put on your plush toy.